Hello bayong lovers! Flexing our sling bag for men. So sa lahat ng mga nagtatanong kung meron daw po ba kaming product for men, ito na po ang aming sling bag. Actually, pwede naman din siyang pang babae. So very unisex. Pero yung kanya po kasing design is para siyang tribal. So available siya in 4 different colors actually. Pero tatlo na lang yung ma-flex ko kasi nabenta na po agad-agad yung isa. So meron tayong gray, white, and then, itong combination ng black and white. Yung isa po is black bronze. Tapos, ito namang isa is bronze and black siya. It comes with a zipper, kaya very secure po yung inyong gamit. So, ito po siya, yung loob niya. Yan, kasya yung cellphone and other essentials. Tapos, yung kanya pong measurement, ito is 2 inches yung kanyang width. Tapos, yung kanyang length is 7 to 7.5 inches, and then yung kanyang height is 7.5 inches as well.